inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Tonight there's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
my love for coffee, and this is an amazing appliance to have in your kitchen. Whether you're a coffee lover or you love hosting, this is a perfect appliance which is pocket friendly. I love me some good coffee, and especially in the morning it gives me the energy that I require. So in my appliance or my coffee maker, I'll go in with my water. Note, for this machine you have to use cold water, and again depends on the number of cups that you're making the coffee. So for me it was 2 cups. Then I'm going in with my roast coffee, 2 scoops as well. So I have that. Then you just connect your coffee maker to the power, and boom, just put the power button on. In no time you have your coffee ready. This is so amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment down below, and let me know if you buy this coffee maker, and let me have your thoughts on how you found the coffee.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Next is this small, or rather a perfectly sized kitchen appliance, which is the electric grinder. Perfect for your coffee beans. Also you can use this to grind your cardamom, all the nuts, and even the spices. It's a very nice appliance to have in your kitchen to simplify your work in the kitchen. And also I like the appliance because uses less power. That's 200 watts, and also has on the inside its material is stainless steel, which is very easy to clean. And also its size is perfect. It's just perfect to ensure that you're having, or you can even blend your spices from scratch. So I'll be grinding my flax seeds and the pumpkin seeds to just give it a try, because at the moment I don't have coffee beans, to just show you how you can just grind your coffee and enjoy your coffee. But it would work same way as it will work on my flaxseed and pumpkin seed. So I'll go in with my flaxseed, just a scoop. Then after that I connect it to the power. It's a simple appliance to use. Just connect to the power, and there you go. Yeah, my flaxseed are grinded to powdery form. So this is also what happens to your coffee beans. So if you're a coffee lover and would just like to grind your coffee, is also another simple appliance to have in your kitchen. So again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment below. Bye bye.